Hey guys, I haven't done a video in a long time, so
cool.
I forgot everything.
Oh wow.
So I'm gonna do the challenge of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Part two. How to solve it in less than 2 minutes. And this is Bianca.
Silver, BTW.
Her YouTube channel is what?
Silver Darkness.
Silver Darkness.
Yeah.
She's into Japanese stuff.
Anime, goddamn.
Oh, she's in that freaky stuff. Say nah.
Oh wow.
You know what I'm talking about. Say nah.
I love my shirt today. I love my shirt.
Love your shirt.
Yes. It's a pretty shirt.
Yeah, I've never done this before. Like I've held, but I've never no. My brain's gonna hurt after this.
Oh my god.
You can start it.
Alright, go.
I'm gonna pick green.
Alright.
Wait. I have anxiety too. This is not gonna this doesn't help.
Alright.
No. I mean, I don't know how to do this. Let's see.
I know these algorithms.
You're on.
What? No, right? You're not autistic? Damn.
Well, deal.
My goodness.
Oh, the dog?
No, they're talking about Brian. God. Hey, bro. What's up? Looks like you got the orange going for you.
I know.
Oh my god. You go green.
No, I don't know. What should I do?
You see,
I feel like I'm in a maze.
We're non-cubers, so we don't know much about the Rubik's Cube.
You know who does?
What? Who?
Bieber.
Oh my god! I can't believe 26 freaking seconds. Oh my god.
He's all like, dun.
Right?
And I'm over here like, ooh.
I'm like, how the hell does he do that? Because
I don't get it.
There's lifetime cubers who have no idea how to do it. Alright, 1 minute.
It's a trick.
Like, that thing got stores, then it got malls, then it got the news.
They got malls.
Hit the news, then it hit the world worldwide. It hit Russia, Brazil, everywhere. God dang.
God dang. Bro, I'm lost.
Oh my god. Alright.
Okay, I give up.
Alright.
I give up.
In 1 minute.
At least I did it under 2 minutes.
She did it. Alright, 1 minute, 47 seconds, and 10 milliseconds. Brian, you think you can do it? He's gonna try. Oh my god!
Okay, try it. Go.
Yay! Oh, he's actually pretty smart, and he's only 1. He's not even 2 yet.
He's not even 2.
Oh my god, he just takes it out. Epic skill.
1-year-old solves Rubik's Cube.
I wish. Oh my god.
That's gonna be the title.
Oh my god.
I hope this is gonna be the thumbnail too.
Hashtag 1-year-old baby bro. Mwah, you're so cute. Yes. Hey, how come you don't like me?
Cause he's so focused on himself.
It's true though.
Damn.
It's true though. Let me see the mirror. Oh my god.
Look, now he's going away. Bye. Okay, thank
really
you guys
cute.
so much for watching.
Alright.
Bye.
Leave a like. Wow.
Go ahead.
Alright, leave a like, subscribe to both channels. Okay. Layla Last Salon, Silver Darkness.
Silver Darkness. Bye.